What the damn hell? You were not hearing me. All right, so this is new. I have added a Stream Deck, which is not Stream Deck. It is a Touch Portal, an alternative to Stream Deck. This is very temporary until I get my own my Stream Deck, and as you know that I have a little bit of difficulty in getting stuff here down in Cuba, so this is temporary to just until I get that. Someone is traveling and can bring me that Stream Deck. I'm gonna get 12 key or 15 key device. So this is it. This is what's going to be new for today, and then also this weekend I'm going to hold on. And this weekend I'm going to be spending some time to redesign my Thinkorswim screeners, as they are for some reason broken. I should have saved all of them separately, and now if I open the code, there's nothing inside. It's just a simple one, like it defines one. It cannot define two. It cannot define the way that I want. It doesn't define it. So yeah, alrighty then, alrighty almighty. Let's get started with yesterday's follow through day. Let me just send this message. All right, let's let this thing get this thing running, thingy running. There you go. Okay. All right. So what do we have for today? All right, let's start from yesterday. Tesla did what did it do? Tesla made the HOD made a 2-2 reversal to the upside. Then it didn't work out. It became 1. Then continued to stay 1. And now today is going to the upper side. I will be interested in buying Tesla when it reaches, when it passes by yesterday's close, higher than yesterday's close, which is today's pre-market high. Coincidence? I don't think so. None of this is coincidence, all right, man? This is just all pure. This is pure market. It's just above our RTV would be a good area to buy, which would be high of pre-market anyway. So Tesla stays on the buy list anyway. Like yesterday, I can tell you that's the first stock that ever has stayed in its own spot since the day before for follow through day. And it doesn't happen like that. Always they just change it. I remove them, or they just move to the other side of the story. Spice, close spice. I don't want spice. All right, so we had on FCX, we had him yesterday. Oh, so we closed at the very LOD. So this thing, if breaks yesterday's LOD, which is yesterday's close, actually, there is no LOD in yesterday's case. The last point of the day was the close. So if it reaches the LOT, it's good. It's a go-go. But then the issue is that on 25 needs the very strong level of this one. I'm more interested in buying FCX as 1 to 2 bullish reversal, but then also to the upside is not good. Okay, this is garbage. Macy's, no. Walmart, no. These are short. Like this is Macy's and Walmart. They are beautiful short. Yesterday I wanted to short this thing from up here, right? From up here. So yesterday's close was right around here. Look at it. It's it, right? It's this line, the white line, the yellow line. Okay, it was on the yellow line. So I entered here, I chickened out, and then put myself in a position so my stop gets hit. Then I entered here again, chickened out, and got out again. Because I was thinking that this thing might reverse at the open and then go at least back up and give me 1 hour, but it didn't. It dropped down. There was another opportunity. I think it was down. Look at this. 2 1 2 and break up HOD. So this was a good opportunity to enter with a sub up here. Because it reverses. I don't want to be faked out, but I didn't get in. Anyway, so all gone. CCL is a good 2-2 rev on 200 moving average reaction. So CCL goes to the goes to the long list. Microsoft stays with Qs, which definitely SPY and Qs are bouncing back, but they're weak, and it begins. As much as everyone's buying it, but I don't think this day we're gonna have a positive rally on Qs. It's the last day of the month. It's the first day of the month, and lots of positions coming today, and based on long-term analytics, and there are lots of options coming in. There is a whole bunch of messy situation going on, man. What else? So we go through the lista. So what do we have down here? Down. Listen to this. This is my hotkey. What's that? Stream Deck. Yeah, look at this. Oh, you don't see. Ooh, maybe you do this. See. Look at this. So here, I just go on the chart. Oh no. Just go on the chart and then click alerts up here. Look at this. Ta-da! Set. Oh, Brent gonna roast the crap out of me today. Yeah, what's up? Hi there, man.
Alright,
Mornings.
yourself? It's Friday.
Ah, it's Friday day. Hold on. Hold on. How did you sleep last night?
Oh, alright. Not too bad, I guess.
Sound
about you?
sleepy?
Now, if Sam's in Seattle, he's still on that. Still only
Yeah.
like 6 in the morning.
It's Friday then by Mufasa. Why Mufasa? What's that? Oh, there you go.
I know what's going on with Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla
it's
is
already
my
at
first
ours.
buy.
Mm-hmm.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what?
Oh, yeah. A little bit of spring.
Are those guys in Cuba?
No, they're African, man. It's definitely related to this Mufasa, like Mufasa, Africa, Simba, Lion King. Okay, so my CCL and Tesla are follow through day from yesterday, and I was just saying that Tesla is the unique stock that it stayed on my long list for 2 days. 99.99% of the time, I take the stock and put it on the other side. Yes, it was supposed to go up yesterday, it didn't, and then it dropped, and we are getting a 212. And we are getting a 212. No, sorry, 122 bullish reversal. This year we are getting a 22 reversal, and today alone can make the week make the week green. So the new month will be green. You know, it's a very
What did
interesting
you
situation.
say about Tesla again?
Tesla is a 122 bullish rev, and I'm looking to go long on Tesla above pre-market high, because pre-market high is yesterday's open.
Where's that? So you should already be long in there then?
No, we are not open,
Talking
not
about
close.
market high.
No, pre-market. Once we reach the pre-market high, I will go in. I hope it's not close to the market, and it happens now. So it market has stamina and juice to go. Right?
I suppose, yeah, that's right in between R3 and R4, so that's still a tricky area, I guess, but yeah.
Yeah.
I was almost thinking like it already just got above R3 here.
No, it's fighting. Yeah, it's fighting to rise above. So that would be for the list, and let's move to the new list. Hey, by the way, I will send you a video. I set 1 hour long, 1 hour short, yellow and pink, yellow and red horizontal line, Fibonacci to add. You know, I explained you once, like it took more than 1 hour to explain you that how I use Fibonacci to add. Okay, and trend line, alert up and down.
Yeah, what did you use for Fibonacci? The 50% retracement?
Not just 50%, like when you add 100%, when the stock is gone, imagine you're $1 in profit. When you add 100%, you will be 50%, 50 cent in profit, because the average will be, you will be averaged back. You will be, I cannot say average down or up, you will be averaged back, but your size will be doubled. So you need to have your stop in a safe place. So when I'm trying to add, I always want to have a good average, right? I want to have a good average. So that good average will be defined by Fibonacci for me. 50%, 35%, 65%, 28%, 32% actually, but whatever. That's why I put the hotkey over here. Yeah.
Where's the hut?
So the hotkey is okay. Let me send you the hotkey. It's a very useful hotkey though. Like it's just for to know where you when you add, where your new entry would be. I send it here in the group.
Yeah, maybe I'll play with it later today or something.
Yeah. Okay, send it. It's sent. Okay. All right, so we get Paltalk. Paltalk from yesterday. I traded Paltalk the day before yesterday. Actually, I got into it and then to the right, rode it to the upside, halt. Paltalk. Paltalk is forming a 2-1-2 bullish. No, I don't like this thing at all. Baby Neo. Neo. The gap is too big to be considered, man. I'm not a big fan of this situation. It's actually breaking out of the range. Maybe now that's the time to look at it. Everyone got slaughtered. Now it's the time to pay attention to this thing. You know?
Yeah.
Beautiful PMG. But the gap is too big. I don't know. See, even I'm not feeling comfortable with this stock. So, oh well, technically above pre-market high is a good go area for Neo, especially that Neo bounced back off of a broadening formation that I had it for a very long time. There was a little expansion, then it pulled back in. So we are inside of a broadening formation since a couple of weeks ago. And we have a 2-1-2 bullish rev to the upside, and we are gapping up on a very nasty 2-1-2 bullish, you know. 212 bullish continue reversal, sorry. So I don't know, I will just put it on the list, but I'm not a big fan of this thing. It's a little bit risky. It can fall from the cliff.
How do you keep that many stocks on watch to actually play them, especially in the first 10 minutes?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I have a very, very, very focused eye on my mesh monitor for what's going on. So I have 6 stocks maximum. There's top 6, 3 long, or 6 stocks. Sometimes it's just 1 long, the rest is short. Sometimes it's just 1 short, the rest is long. I have all of them under watch, and imagine 3 up are long, 3 down are short. When I see the last minute of the 5-minute candle, the candle is still red for short, then I will take a look at it. I have 4 minutes to pay attention.
What candle's red?
Okay, listen.
You're talking about one of the 1-minute charts of the 6.
No. I'm looking at my mesh on the left side, my monitor on the left side with 6 stocks, okay, for underwatch.
All in 1
more.
minute chart.
No, all in 5.
Oh.
All in 5. I said it like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. No, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. That I'm switching to 5 minutes until next notice, until further notice, because market is too choppy to go in with 1 minute. So I just look at where I want to go there. I have alerts and lines. So when I see that I have an alert and the market reached to the level that I want, now I watch. Do I want to go to continuation, or do I want to wait for a 212? It all depends on how a stock behaves. But what gives me the idea to watch something is that stock on the top row or bottom row, if that stock on upper row is green after 9:34, okay, then I will pay attention closely to the volume, to the market behavior, to the levels and everything. If not, to the next level, until I see a reversal, a bounce off of Hulk, off of an important level, and then I will pay attention if I'm getting a 212 or a 22 reversal. That's how I can observe 6 stocks closely. I'm not just sitting
I have
and
the
looking
same
at them.
thing, but yeah, on my one monitor, but it's still difficult to kind of keep track. Then if I put too many alerts, then all I get is all these alerts. And it's kind of like, well, which one do I go to, right? I'm already kind of.
Actually, I feel good when there are a couple of alerts going on, because it means that market is moving in my direction. If alerts they don't go off, it means that it's a messy market and I'm not getting anything in my direction. Those days that I get no alerts, they are scary days. Funny fact, on Monday that I have a big loss. I mean, a big loss comparing like 400, comparing to any other day. I had no alerts in the morning, just blasting, nothing. And then it's my biggest loss day. So it means that the market is not going in my direction. I have been saying it before and just repeating again. These alerts are a thing, man. They are a thing, and they are very powerful.
Oh, no doubt about it.
And one thing
too many going off at the open is too much.
Yeah, you might say it's too much. I agree. One else thing that I do, if for instance something is about to break at 37, okay, and open might just rip that $37 to the upside, I will set another alert at 37.12 or 15. So it's still acceptable for me. That price is still I can still go in. If it's on Tesla, even 50 cents higher is still acceptable. On a small stock, 15 to 20 maximum. On a $100 stock, 20 cents is acceptable too. So I will get second alert, right? And now listen to this. If I get lots of alerts for something, I just dismiss it. like CCL yesterday and the day before, because I see that that stock is dropped sharply that I cannot touch it anymore. These are
Right.
just my codes to how to deal with the situation. That's a low float, I think. Yeah, it sounds like a low float. It moves like a low float, and it is a 11 million shares float.
Which one?
That's data chat.
BBT is looking at AVIR. Has a lot of.
AVIR.
It's trading like a low float, but I guess it's not a low float.
It's 64. It's a small. I mean, it's not as low float, but mid-size float, I could say.
A medium float, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
They went to vaccination and infection conference. That's
So, anyways, they're 40%. Yes. Anyways, I just thought I'd throw that out there.
Yeah, thank you for that.
So, what's your top 6?
Top 6? I have just top 2. Nothing else. I have just CCL and Tesla. That's it so far.
Yeah, I have the usual suspects still up. Neo,
Snap is
Tesla,
here.
Apple.
Snap is here. Snap long.
Snap is so fucking manipulated with that noisy. And I think the last time it was in play, it was still a shit spread.
Snap?
Talking about.
Oh, you were right. I played it successfully, but okay, now you're right. MU has been in play for last couple of days. Unfortunately, it's just a short go to the downside. I'm not going to touch it for the upside. Come on, I'm still using my keyboard.
Oh yeah, you're not using.
It takes some time. It
phone?
takes some time. Yeah.
Practice. Yeah, for sure.
It takes some time, doesn't it?
Yeah, something new. Yeah, you definitely want to test that out. Yeah.
No, I set the keys last night and they look working fine.
Yeah,
So
that's good.
yeah. So there was a good time.
Hey,
so I could hit. Huh?
Oh, I was just saying, yeah, I can't I never really even started with the keyboard because, Shift Control F7 or whatever whatever make the keys at. I'm like, fuck that. I'm getting a Stream Deck.
Okay, DVN a good long. DVN is juicy for long.
Ooh, TGIN.
No, DVN. Dalton Victory Natural.
Man, is this going to be a snail pace mover? Only has like 34,000 volume right now.
Yeah, but the thing is, how many shares do I want to buy? Like 200? And how much do I want this thing to move? Like 50 cents to 70 cents? That's enough for me.
So
We are at ATH. God bless.
oh, it's
That's
all-time
sweet.
highs.
Yeah.
That's past R5 on the daily. So what? Anything past 36? You're looking at?
Hold on, 3604. No, I'm looking at anything. Yeah, Exactly. Anything higher than yesterday's high, and actually, I prefer that this thing breaks the all-time high, pulls back, then I will go in.
Oh yeah, the old pullback for sure.
Yeah.
Those seem
And
to be the nicest, best plays, but yeah,
right, right.
yeah, yeah. But sometimes they just keep going. That's the pisser. It's like, ah, shit.
That's the FOMO maker, man. That's the best ingredient.
Exactly.
That's the best ingredient for FOMO.
Exactly. Oh, I better get in now. In
So
repo.
we have this one called DLTR that against its time frame continuity it dropped yesterday, and if it goes lower than yesterday's low, I will be shorting it. I'll know against its time frame continuity, but low pre-market low and the magnitude to $93. So we have $1 to go, 1%.
Sorry, which stock are you talking about now?
DLTR. Oh, Mara is on the list. PayPal is on the list.
And what's SPY gonna do today?
Oh, that's the tricky one. That's why I don't like to. Oh, look at Mara, baby Mara, come to Papa. What are you doing here? Look at that. We have $250 of ATR, and the difference between open and close is less than $2. So we can easily go green on the wick. I will be long Mara. Ooh, look at the list. I will go long on. I have 5 stocks for long and 1 for short. And my number 1 player of the day is the highest volume. Ooh, all of them over 1 million. Not all of them. Okay, so we have CCL with NEO with 1.4 million long. We have CCL for 1.3 million long. MU for 1.2 million short. And then there is Mara for 430k for long.
Sorry, buddy. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah, good idea. I'll go too.
Sorry, buddy.
You have a good one, okay?
You too, buddy. We'll talk to you later.
Come back to Papa whenever you want. I'm here.
Back up though. Yikes. All right. Okay.
Okay, have a good one. Yeah, bye. Okay. So one thing that happens, CCL is ripping. CCL went green on the week actually, and I'm going to set a double horizontal line here. I have this 95. So so the line that we just passed on is the line that is a high of this week and made CCL go green. I don't want to take a look at the rest. Okay, 29. Okay, Tesla, CCL, Mara, DVN, Neo, MU. Alright, it's open and I'm gonna go long on CCL after a little bit of pullback. This one, and then going green again. Okay, let's see what does it do. Maybe I play this one on 1 minute. Okay, CCL is long. Who's a good boy? CCL. DBN is weakening and it's pulling back heavily. R1 is holding now. Why is dropping heavy? Wow. It looks like it's a one full R loss for me on DBN. Sure. I'm going to just sit and respect my R's. That's it. My job is not here to go nuts. Be articulated and put together. That's what I'm going to do. Tesla is let me see, do I have Tesla? No. Actually, Tesla is better that it has this signal. Okay, so we are approaching to the last minute of the candle. It's gonna happen in 15 seconds, and CCL is going green. So it's not hoping. I'm looking at a green move to the upside by CCL, and to rip to the upside, and then definitely after it passes this level, after it passes this level, I will add to my position. It should rip, so I can add to my position. DVN also is coming back up. Let me see what's happening on 1 minute. DVN is also coming back up, and this is a good sign. Although we have a shortage of volume, there is no inventory for this thing, so I don't like if it closes lower than yesterday's close. Yesterday pre-market low, though it would be bad. And just want this thing to go. So yeah, CCL, there you go. So DVN is mostly a full or loss, or maybe not. We're gonna have okay, we just have candle open. There's nothing that fits the criteria, and the only one is Tesla. And so buying something at ATH is a little bit always dangerous. So I'm just looking to see that what could happen down here. Let me see. So if we get a pull back up, it will be the best. We got a 2-2 rep to the upside. There is still lack of volume, but we'll see. Tesla. This level. Okay. Mara was and is long, and anything higher than this level would be interesting for me. On a 2-1-2 bullish rev, CCL is working out nice. Actually, I should say nice. I wanted to add, but the breaker is not that significant, so I want this thing to go, not to pull back, right? My stop will be moved up here, and it's gonna be a little bit difficult for this thing to move, but we'll see. MU to the downside. MU is a short officially. Why it doesn't take it? I had to pray 3 times so it takes it. I don't like this thing at all. This is not good. This is not a pullback, it's a rejection. You know what I said? I'm going to respect my. If this thing goes green again, I gotta go back in again. God damn it! Why is that? Okay, so this thing is running back up. Mara, was expecting a long move, but it's not. It's just it went short southbound again. So yeah, I know. And the break to the upside. This pullback was a push of short sellers actually, but you can see that then it started to move gradually to the upside. And the issue is that the volume is not kicking in. So this is one signal to have in anticipation of BHOD. So we'll see how it works. I'm going to go short Tesla anyway. Yeah. When it goes red, I will add right. So we have option. I will add on this thing actually. It broke to the upside. Okay, Tesla is breaking. DVN pull back. DVN is a full pullback. If this thing breaks lower than this, I will go 150 short. $300? I didn't want to get him with 300. Are you serious? I just lost. I will be losing. Seriously? Come on, man. That's not funny. Oh, man. Yeah, this stuff would be still valid. Are you fucking kidding me? Ah, Tesla, I should have got out of Tesla. Why did I do this to myself? Got it, close it, and then maximum profit. Bastard, give me some of the money back. Oh, MU, don't do this, bro. We had the volume with us. ce n'est pas cool, bro. اگر تسلا رو از 200 دادن. Mieux out? Ah. Ce ne coûte pas, bro. Ah, die bien out? Let's go Tesla. Let's go. Go Tesla. Wow, let's go, baby. Tesla is short. Oh! Wow. Oh, this is a fake move. This is a fake out move. This is a fake out move to scare all shorts. I didn't get stop out. If it goes red, oh, it's a go-go, bro. See how aggressive. So it made a fake out move, and it can easily become a 2-2 rev to the downside, because now it's not an inside candle anymore. Okay, it's the southbound. Okay, we got on 5-minute 2-2 rev. Oh my god, this is too down. 2 down, 2 up. This was a fake out move, and then after this fake out move, we definitely get the market in correct direction. Or maybe stays here for a while like this. Oh man. That is unnecessary painful. What's that? Is that a spy? Don't tell me now it's gonna go southbound, huh? Don't tell me now it's gonna go southbound. So I'm now in loss, and due to this trade on Tesla, this one, I went for the continuation, but there was the reversal, and this broke my rule of money management. I went in heavy, very heavy, and without considering that this is a long stop. And then this one also messed me up because look how the first trade anyway. Like look at this trade. I sold, and then I got. I mean, it's not. I mean, honestly, I got out in a very good position. Then got in. This ad actually messed me up. This ad messed me up because I was in a good shape when I got in here. I could get out on any of these reversals. This one I could get out. I could get out with the least of loss, but this made me a very low average, and then this week out just wrecked me. So but if it was on 15 minutes, if it was on 15 minutes and I have had this stop, nothing would happen. Getting in with this stop because we are at the important level, but I couldn't do this because you know I was already adding in the LOD. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit more time. Maybe Tesla reaches the yesterday's close. Maybe Tesla reaches yesterday's close and then it drops from there. SPY reach back, and let me set an alert. Yesterday's close, it went back inside, and well, I'm not expecting that Tesla goes green today. It would be like impossible, but who knows? Then I had this trade on MU, one full loss, and then yeah, all of us are 1 hour loss, and then I added heavy here. Let me see what's going on with MU. So as much as this looks like a heavy position, it's not. I mean, at the end of here, I just closed with like 800 shares or 500 shares. I added, but then I'm closing here 500 shares. So I don't know. The volume is a little bit declining now. It's 11 a.m. Everything is chilling. So Kind of delivered for yesterday's. I don't know where Q's and Tesla IQs and SPY. Or because it's not that over. The one is pretty flat and the market is going up and down. Mora was on the what happened here? The Mora was on here I made a mistake for this long. And then this should is supposed to happen down here, not down here. Stop would be this one. Navi, okay, Tesla is holding, although SPY is dropping. This would be a beautiful incident if it goes lower, just to have a. SPY wanted to short it, but I didn't get the guts to do that, especially that this candle has a high volume, but it's so small. This is more like it. No, but I got nothing too long. $1 in 1 minute. That is basically when enforce this signal. So that's the good opportunity to reload now. Yeah. From here, we can have a touch to the 775 and then a drop to the lower prices due to a oh. So MU, we're gonna wait for another bounce back. Okay, MU we go. Okay, MU. This is this was beautiful. I think it got to go long on SPY. It's just we got back to the first minute candle now. I don't want to. It's long though. If anything, with 50-cent stop, it's a long. But I cannot, because here we have the close of the first 5 minutes. The price like stopped here, so it may just stall from here. Sorry. Mara has totally, CCL has totally pulled the emergency brake and it's not going anywhere. NEO. The NEO has moved its move today. Like we have, what's that? Well, like 1 ATR is $1.40, and today we have moved $1.30 something. So yeah, today I missed this entry down here on a 2-2 rep to the downside. Look at Tesla itself. This bounce, I got the move down here, but it could be way up here even at the open. We have the CCL, that this sell was a failed attempt. I assume that this line is already broke. This level is already broken. We're gonna go to the higher level. Okay, we just Tesla. So what I would like that today we get a 2-1 bearish to the downside. This is the candle of the open, and well, folks, we are not far away from having SPY green, eh? This is what I was talking about. Let's see what Tesla is doing here. We have a little bit more juice to go with Qs, but it's actually hitting the stop. We can see the candles are getting smaller and smaller. Shadows at the bottom, volume declining, and we have yesterday's closure products. The same with Qs. It's buy. I will go green in a second. That'll be huge. And again, look at this. Like 2 days ago, look at this snake. This might happen. So, not too surprised and excited to see that this thing is going well. Today's HOD. The Tesla Qs and SPY are dropping, but Tesla is on the upside. This 212 here would be a juicy signal. Oh, look at this. I missed this. 212 and 15 minutes and 30 minutes. went to under yesterday. Definitely I'll go short if this thing drops lower. CCL. Rip to the upside. SPY is not going. Okay. Okay, Tesla is just about to go green on the day, and here is the moment of the truth. SPY open is holding. So anything lower than this is interesting for me to short. We have a 3 now, but we'll see. SPY, did we reach the open? No, SPY still. This failure would be interesting. The only one that's interesting is this one. Tesla, if just it drops lower than okay, it is Tesla, SPY blue. Yeah, I'm not trusting this move. adjust it even a bit. So let's see if we get a two. Going. Tesla reached. Tesla is green now. This is too. I call this one long from here. I didn't get the guts to get in myself. And CCL look. Oh, it wasn't done. Short, but not anymore. Tesla hit the brick. Volume dropping, candles are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Unless we get a huge rip, or it will go bearish. Let's see what we're getting here. So MU, this level is standing strong, holding strong, and then lack of volumes. It's the same. I will be looking to short MU to the downside. This was painful. Alright, so let's see what we have. I missed this one already. This one, and yeah. I missed the signal. Yeah, 1, 2, went in, added, got out, got in. And here I wanted to get in even like 13 cents lower, but yeah, it didn't execute my trade. So we're getting to 2 rev on 15-minute based on pre-market bounce. Just need to get a little bit of tranquility, then I'm going to get involved with the price again. Based on 15-minute, I'm not in a bad position, and I can still go long on this thing, but I'm not gonna. Altok is still doing nothing, but actually it's a short now since 11:19 now, since 98 no, since 11 is short. the downside. I don't think so. So it would be 2R already, because from here I really don't trust this move. I'm just looking forward that it just trips back in. We get a 2-1. Let's see the volume. Hope it drops and the volume is good, big enough. I will short MU. It says dropping but no volume, and the volume is declining. So Tesla open bounced, rejected the price. This is interesting. The price from yesterday, when we went back inside of the body of yesterday's candle, the price just nasty rejected the move up. That's yesterday's close. The line is yesterday. That's why I didn't take this trade. They will definitely have a rising volume. Let me just go for a walk. I will set alert. Okay, so Tesla. Also cute. So all of the instruments I'm going to trade are set for alert. On. Oh, what's up with AMC today, by the way? It's inside day and ripping to the upside with this Microsoft OneDrive. No. Oh, like voila, AMC is a good, was a good long. Did I get in? I wanted to get in here at 59, especially Spire. Yeah, here I'm going to go along SPY. Pull back a bit, then we go. Okay, Tesla. That was what I was looking for. Now I might buy Tesla, like based on the 212 to the upside. I'll be back. Tesla short though.